The grand prize goes to Rodel Tavares.
Should I have a paper here?
I should have prepared this.
First, I thank you so much first of all to God, the greatest artist of all. And also ABB Foundation. And of course, Richie Lerma for the belief in my work. Thank you, sir, for the nomination. To all the people who helped, supported me, Patrick Flores and the curator of the show, where this work was part of. To my wife, Marina Cruz, for the inspiration and support. For all the help, thank you, Mr. Alex Tan, Lori Hobida, and Joel Putuyan. And I also would like to thank Capis Horn, Mr. De Roche, and Mr. De Leon. Thank you, Sika Partnership, for this award.